You don't have time to be sifting through your emails to double check your client received and signed your document. And you definitely don't want to be chasing up a signature you asked for weeks ago. Take control of your time and start handling your documents with Papersign, liberating you from email chains and allowing you to concentrate on the more important things. Let's dive in and see how Papersign simplifies the document tracking process. G'day there, Alex here from Paperform, and welcome to the Papersign dashboard, your all-in-one hub for creating, sending, and tracking your documents. Now, creating a document takes a matter of clicks. If you're eager to learn how to do this, check out the video linked above. Otherwise, I've included some resources in the description of this video, but I want to show you how Papersign simplifies document handling by notifying you about every action that takes place. Now, firstly, the dashboard is where your documents live. You can view a document status here and see an overview of all your documents along the top of your dashboard. Just select a status type to filter your documents. Real-time notifications appear on the right of your screen, keeping you informed of every action. And you'll receive notifications in your inbox when a document requires an action from you. To view a specific document's action history, select that document, then navigate to Actions, and there you go. Papersign informs you of every step in the document process. You know when your signer views the invite email and looks at the document, so you don't have to follow up and send email after email. Even better, you can configure automatic reminders to chase up signatures for you. With Papersign, you can bid farewell to senseless email back and forths. To learn more about Papersign and how it can help you take back your time, check out the resources linked in the description of this video and sign up today. Completely free and transform the way that you handle documents. Good luck and happy signing.